fills the hall, a space where none can ever fall. The layers rise with every tone, a sound that stands on its own. It binds the heart, it claims the zone, a force we carry all alone.
The flow begins, it takes the air, a current moves beyond compare. It finds the way, it guides the flare, a story built from what we share. The beat connects, it drives the sound, each note ascends, it knows no bound. It holds the place, it keeps the ground, a melody that's always found. The sound collides, it forms the frame, a moving wave without a name. It carves the air, it sets the flame, a force that builds and takes the game. The layers weave into the core, a sound that moves and always soars. It holds the line, it makes the score, a melody we all adore. Feel the beat begin to climb, a sound that rises out of time. Drums of motion guide the way, a sound that builds and will not stray. Each beat aligns without delay, a melody that wants to stay. The sound creates a path so true, a current shared by me and you. The tones combine, they make the mark, a crafted wave that fills the dark. It builds the world, it strikes the spark, a melody that leads the arc. Each sound ascends, it claims its place, a guiding tune, a steady bass. It moves the world, it finds the trace, a song that stands in every space. Feel the force it holds.